Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Abshen. The Twitter streets left shook after Gogo Maweni introduced her new family member on social media. Just recently, Gogo Maweni made headlines when she took to social media that she had a wild dream about Namhla Mdwa. Namhla was shot by her boyfriend 9 times and they've been together for 17 years. The guy that he was dating was major and was abusing her. Gogo Maweni even went on to get hold of the Mdwa's family. May her soul rest in peace. I really hope she gets the justice she deserves. Gogo Maweni shared a video of her pet. Even blogger Musa Kawula shared it on his Twitter account and captioned the video. Dr. Maweni shows off her owl. People have reacted and they are very surprised by this pet. Someone said, she's not a doctor this one, uyaloya nje, that all finish, meaning she's just a witch. Someone also wrote, lo muntu uhlala nazo zonke izilwane ngeke ngithuke if thiwa unemfene, meaning that person stays with all animals. I won't be surprised if she has a baboon. Another one said, people are modernizing witchcraft. And another one said, there's a thin line between a traditional healer and a witch. She's no doctor. Well guys, I'm completely shocked, even myself. Phela an owl in our culture is associated with witches. Now I'm doubting if she's a genuine Sangoma. What's your take on this one? Please leave a comment down below. Another celebrity that we'll be talking about is SK Khoza. Disgraced actor SK Khoza has been given the opportunity to tell his side of the story regarding the abuse allegations leveled against him by ex-fiancée Ayanda. He did an interview with a businessman, Somizi's former best friend Titimba, on his weekly Instagram live talk show titled Amadaima Wellness Check-In. SK Khoza touched on a lot of issues that have been troubling his life. For the past few months, SK Khoza's name has been mired with negativity, including abuse allegations, which ultimately led to his dismissal from the Queen. Some disturbing videos of him in a weird mental state while on vacation with his friends in Mpumalanga emerged on social media. South Africa was ready to cancel him after Sunday World publication reported that he got arrested after Ayanda laid charges against him for allegedly assaulting him. He then made an appearance at the Randburg Magistrate Court on October 13, 2021, where he got released on bail for the amount of 2,000 rands. It was then reported that he got charged with assault with intent to cause grievous bodily harm. It was also reported that Ayanda sustained injuries after being beaten, kicked and dragged on the floor. Addressing the incident of abuse, SK said he has never laid his hands on a woman. He said, "This is my question to South Africa, my country. Why hasn't anybody called me to ask if I hit Ayanda Hlongwane? Does my country know that I went to court 6 to 7 times and Ayanda never pitched? Not once, and she had to be subpoenaed. When Ayanda arrived, she went to sign that she wants to drop the charges and reconcile with me. Do people know the kind of messages I have in my phone that I could easily post up? But I'm not that kind of a person. I don't fight fire with fire. But I can say to you today live, I have never hit a woman in my life. Nobody asked me when I read in the papers. They said that she was in hospital with broken ribs and a swollen face. I know a lot of abused women in the world, and I know that what you do is you take footage of that to show the world the kind of abuse you are going through." SK then defended himself and said he loves women as he has daughters himself. Being a statistic is the worst thing, and worst of all, a GBV one. If you have ever been around me, you know I love girls. I'm not even scared to say that. As someone who is raising girls himself, you always have to think. The person who said I abused never went out to the world, spoke about it, or said anything, but I was guilty even before that. That is our country. You are just guilty. I wouldn't want to drag her or anything down, but at the end of the day, I will not want to walk my entire life knowing I didn't do something that I'm being accused of. No one came back to find out what exactly happened. We just moved on. I really wish celebrities sometimes can stop playing with GBV. because this is real. Women are dying and children. Look at Namhla's case, even Bontle Mashiane. It is so painful. Another celebrity that we will be talking about is Robert Marawa. The sports commentator Robert Marawa has been reported that he found himself a new lover. He is rumored to be dating Nelisiwe Sibia from Durban Jan. Musa Kaula has announced that Robert is dating the singer and actress. Some people on Twitter are not really happy about the age gap, since Robert Marawa is 49 years old and Nelisiwe is 26 years old. Someone reacted and said, "Age is just a number. This is a reward of not rushing to marry." Someone said, "Here's another Pastor 929. One also said, 23 years age gap, a chicken medley. One also commented and said, "Both of them are adults, Moss. I don't see any problem. Nice couple, by the way." Not so long ago, Robert Marawa was rumored to be dating Nonku Williams, but Nonku said they are just friends. Now I would really love to see this couple. They really look great together. What are your thoughts on this one? Please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.